Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to cite sources in APK format here in Google Docs. So first, you're going to open a new tab, then you want to search for APK citation generator. Then you're going to click on the first link. And then over here at this side, you just want to make sure that you're selecting APA 7th edition. And then in this tab, you want to go ahead and paste the link of your source. Then just click on Cite over here. Then after that, you're going to click on Copy to Clipboard. Now you're going back to Google Docs. And then you're going to go ahead and paste your citation. And after that, we're going to fix the format because this one is in the correct format, but these two are not. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the whole citations. And then over here at the top, click on the Format tab. And then you're going to click on Align and Indent. Then you're going to click on Indentation Options. And then over here at Special Indent, you're going to select Hanging. Then over here, just put 1. Then click on Apply. Then you want to click Format again. And then you're going to go here in Line and Paragraph Spacing. And you're going to choose Double. And lastly, you want to make sure that your citations are in alphabetical order. So if it's not in alphabetical order, you want to go ahead and rearrange them like so. And there you go. Thanks for watching.